In this video, you'll learn about organization settings in ReARM.
Please note that most changes here require a user with administrative permissions.
To open the Organization Settings view, click the Settings icon in the main menu.
Below the header, you'll find the Organization Settings tabs.
The Integrations tab lists all available integrations.
Key integrations you can configure here include Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Dependency Track.
If you're using ReARM Pro, you can also set up continuous integration connections, such as GitHub, GitLab, Jenkins, or Azure DevOps. These are outbound integrations, where ReARM sends signals to your continuous integration system.
Inbound integrations from your continuous integration system to ReARM are included in all ReARM versions, and should be configured within your continuous integration system itself.
For step-by-step setup integration guides, visit the ReARM documentation website.
Next, let's look at the remaining tabs.
The Users tab lists all members of the current organization.
Using the Manage icons, you can edit a user's permissions or remove them from the organization.
For your own account, you'll see a lock icon that lets you set your programmatic API credentials.
Below the list of current users, you can invite new users via email. This feature is only available in ReARM Pro installations with multi-organization support enabled. In this context, organizations usually refer to different departments within the same entity.
The Programmatic Access tab shows all active API keys, along with their identifier, creation date, last access date, last updated by, scope, and type.
Here, you can update key approval permissions or revoke keys entirely.
You can also create organization-wide or approval scoped keys using the plus circle icon on the bottom.
The final tab is Approval Policies, which is available only in ReARM Pro. We'll cover that in a separate video.